guys, Jeannie here, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to another Walgreens in-store couponing video. So I have been really excited bringing Walgreens back to my channel because Walgreens, once you start to get the hang of it, is a really nice store to coupon at. So I'm just going to go ahead and hop into it. And to those who commented about the breakdowns being helpful, you know, I read your comments and I tried to think of myself as a couponer just starting out, and you guys made some really strong arguments and I agreed with you. So there is a printable breakdown below for you guys. So I also want to give you guys a friendly reminder, there is still time to get your hold on. I have a coupon shirt, so I made a t-shirt on Bonfire and all the proceeds are going to be going to Periods Happen. And if you want to learn a little bit more about Periods Happen, I will have a video linked below as well. So let's go. All right, you guys, so my first deal is going to be on Revlon eye products. So Revlon Cosmetics are on a 40% off promo deal. All you need to do is scan your card and then you're going to get 40% off taken off. So I want to highlight the Magnifi Eyes Jewel Rocks palette. So these are priced for $8.99 over at Walgreens, and we still have those printable 3 off 1 coupons. You can go ahead and print this coupon or you can send it to your Walgreens app. So it makes it just $2.40 after the 40% off sale and printable coupon. So just for a reference, there are other items you can go ahead and pick up. See, the Rimmel Brow This Way is $4.79. We have the Rimmel Brow This Way Fill and Sculpt, $6.79. We have the eyeliner, which is $4.99. Okay, so that'll make that free. So 40% off of $4.99 is $1.99 off, and then you use the $3 off 1 coupon. So yeah, that'll make that free. So the Rimmel Brow This Way, no, the Rimmel Soft Kohl Eyeliner, Jet Black, $4.99. This can be free, so great deal. Minus my store doesn't have it, so. Guys, we have another really good deal in the baby section here at Walgreens. So the Huggies are priced for 2 for $18. Also included is the pull-ups and Pampers. So when you spend $25 or more, you're going to get 5,000 points back in points for Walgreens. So what I want you to do is pick up 2 of the Huggies and pick up 2 of the pull-ups. So you're going to get to $36, and then you can go ahead and use your 4 off 2 Huggies coupon from your Walgreens app, or you can use the 4 off 2 pull-ups coupon you can send to your Walgreens app, or you can print 2 of the 2 off 1 coupons on coupons.com. So we have 2 off 1s for the Huggies as well as the pull-up. So that is hyperlinked in the breakdown. So you'll end up paying $28, and then you can submit $1 back to Ibotta. So now we're down to $27, and then you get 5,000 points back. So it makes it $22 for 4 or $5.50 each, which is great because the starting cost here is $12.99. So really good deal on Huggies and pull-ups here at Walgreens. All right, you guys, so we have a nice deal on Quest protein bars. So these are priced 2 for 4 or $2 each when you buy 2. So regular price on these are just $2.99. So this is a nice deal at Walgreens. All right, you guys, so this next deal is on the Bic Atlantis pens. So these are priced 2 for 3, and we have those $1.50 off 2 coupons in our insert, or you can send one to your CVS app. So it makes them just 75 cents each, which is great. And they have the multicolored ones or the black ones. Regular price is $4.49, and we're going to get them for just 75 cents a piece. So this is a really nice deal, you guys. All right, so we have the 5-pack of Bic highlighters. So these are on sale for 99 cents, as well as the 6 to 10 count pens. So these are on sale for 99 cents, and they also have some colored pens as well. So you have a few options, and we have our $1.50 off 2 coupon. So what you could do is buy 2 of them for $1.98. Use that $1.50 off 2 coupon from our inserts. Sorry, the glare is weird. From our inserts, or you can send it to your Walgreens app. So it makes them just what is it, 49 cents for 2 of them. So really good deal on some Bic items here at Walgreens. Okay, we have a fantastic deal on the I can't even pronounce this. I'm not even going to try to butcher it, but it's the world's best pencil, and it's on sale for 99 cents. This is a really good deal. Also 99 cents is going to be the Papermate mechanical pencils, as well as the Papermate pens. All right, so the next school supply deal is on the Fiskar scissors. So these are on sale for 99 cents and regular price is $2.99. So 99 cents, really good deal. My store only has one of them in the pink, and then they have like a few over here. So this might be a hot commodity. All right, so another good school supply deal is on the Elmer's 3-pack of glue sticks. So these are priced for 49 cents, as well as the Elmer's school glue, the 4-ounce. All right, you guys, so the next deal is on the Crunch and Butterfinger candy bars. So these are priced for 39 cents on sale, and there's a 50-cent off 2 coupon inside the Walgreens app. So what you would do is buy 2 of them for 78 cents. Use that 50-cent off 1 coupon, so it makes them $14.99. We also have a printable version as well, which will be linked below. So, this is going to be such a good deal, but I'm not going to eat it. I'm not going to eat it. So every single time I see a Crunch bar specifically, I think of that commercial back in like the very early 90s where they were like on a boat and like the little kid like mentioned to his grandpa or whoever was like driving the boat something about a Crunch bar. Do you guys remember that commercial with the boat and the Crunch bar? Let me know. So the Bounty Essentials, they're on sale for $4.99 now. If you saw my CVS Live, you would know that I picked this little coupon booklet up at my Target, and there's $1 off 1 coupon for any Bounty products. So if you're able to snag this little coupon booklet, it makes the Bounty or the Charmin just $3.99. Alternatively, you can send the 25-cent off coupon to your Walgreens app and take 25 cents off. So it makes it, what, $4.74, something like that. So yeah, $4.74, is that right? It's going to be in the breakdown, but if you have that $1 off coupon, this is a better route to go. Also included is the Charmin as well, and inside this little coupon booklet, there's $1 off for Charmin also, so you can get Bounty and Charmin $3.99. All right, so update. My disco ball cup is still here, $2.79. I feel like I can do better than that. There's like 4 of them here. I think I'm gonna wait. All right, you guys, so we have a nice deal on the Purex 50-ounce laundry detergent. These guys are on sale for $1.98, and there's gonna be $1 send to app coupon, so it's gonna make this just 98 cents. And also included in this deal is going to be the Purex crystals as well. So you can get the laundry detergent or the Purex crystals for just 98 cents. So really good deal. All right, you guys, we have a nice sale price on the Welch's Fruit Snacks. So these guys are on sale 2 for $4, and we have a $1 off 2 coupon coming in the 811 Smart Source, or you can send one to your Walgreens app. And then you can submit $1 to checkout 51. So it makes these guys just $2 for 2 or $1 each, which is a really good deal. All right, you guys, so we have a nice deal on the Blue Diamond almonds. So the, what ounce is this? 16 ounce. These guys are on sale for $5.99, and there is a $1 off 1 send to app coupon. So it makes these just $4.99. So that's a killer deal on some Blue Diamond almonds because regular price is $9.99. So we also have a really nice deal on Soap and Glory products at Walgreens. My local Walgreens didn't have it, but the body care and cosmetics, they are buy one, get one 50%, and there's a 3 off 1 coupon for the body care and lip products. So you can get 2 items for about 18 bucks. So I think that's a good deal. These are all the deals I have to share with you today at Walgreens. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give it a big thumbs up so I know you have enjoyed it. Comment below what your favorite Walgreens deal is, and make sure you're subscribed to my channel if you are not already. And I will have a link to Bonfire below if you guys want to go ahead and check it out and learn a little bit more about Periods Happen. So I will talk to you guys all later. Bye.